New home for the Newtown mice. A fun Akbar hat. Mike and Alice Mouse used to live happily together in their cool festival tent until one terrible day around Christmas time, everything changed. The mice had gone Christmas shopping to IKEA with the humans. Maisie, the dog who lived in the human house, was left alone and soon became bored with her bones and her squeaking toys. She went searching for something new to play with. It wasn't long before she found the beautiful mouse tent. She took it outside and chewed it up. Sleeping bags, and then the whole tent. When Alice arrived back, they were so sad, as they no longer had a home of their own. When the humans arrived home from IKEA, though, the mice found that the kind people at IKEA must have heard about their homeless situation, because they had sent a brand new house just for them, home with the family. That night, while the family was asleep, Alice and Mike started to get their new house ready. Mike went scavenging around the house and soon found a string of IKEA STRALA lights, which he took back to the house. Using the Ostbit ladder from the pantry, he soon had them set up, and the place began to look cosy immediately. Meanwhile, Alice met up with the HUSET family, who said they had some extra furniture and they were happy to give it away. Mike managed to find a Christmas tree. It was a Winterfint Christmas tree, and he managed to carry it home back to the house, where Alice was absolutely delighted. And that night they moved into their new Akbar home and began to enjoy a beautiful Christmas together. It was so cozy and light and bright and safe. And although Maisie did come sniffing by, she couldn't get in. She decided in the end to protect the mice and their beautiful new home, and she never bothered them again.